Good morning, children. Myself, Mrs. Rekha, you are, and I take English for you. Our first chapter is Lost and Found. This is a story about two friends, Rumi and Runa, and is based on the value honesty. Suppose you get a purse and you don't know whose it is. What will you do? Will you keep it or to try to find the owner of it? I know you will do the right thing. Here, something similar to this has happened with Rumi and Runa, and we are going to see what did they do. Children, look at the first page. There you can see a boy and a girl. They are sitting on a bench and they are having a conversation. Let's see what are they talking about. Sammy, what would you do if you found a purse lying on the road? I would try and find out who it belonged to and give it back to the person. You would be doing the right thing, just like Rumi and Runa. Who are Rumi and Runa and what did they do? Let's find out. So, it is a conversation between a boy and a girl. Their girl's name is Sammy, and the boy is asking, what will you do if you get a purse? And she says, I will give to the person who it belonged to. And the boy says, yeah, you are doing the right thing. And girl is asking, who are Rumi and Runa and what did they do? Through this chapter, we are also going to see who are Rumi and Runa and what did they do. Yeah. It was evening and Runa and Rumi were playing together in the park. Try and catch me, Runa, Rumi said, laughing as she ran away from Runa. I am coming after you. You would better run fast, Runa replied. Suddenly, Rumi saw something lying near the bushes. She picked it up. Ruma came up behind her. What's that? She asked. See, there you can see two girls, one in yellow dress and another one in purple dress. The girl who is in yellow dress, it's Rumi, and the other one is Runa, and they are playing catch me game. In Hindi we call it as pakadam pakadai. And Rumi is running and Runa is chasing her. As they were running, Rumi saw something lying near the bushes and she picked it up. And Runa also came near to her and she asked, what is it? Yeah, it's a purse. Somebody must have dropped it here. Rumi replied. The girl sat down and looked at the purse. What should we do with it? Runa asked, looking at Rumi. Should we keep it? Rumi said, I don't think we should. It's not ours. The person who lost it might be looking for it. Runa answered. But how will we find out who owns the purse? Rumi asked. Let's look around and see if anyone is looking for it, Runa said, getting up. So, what did Rumi find there? It was a purse, and she says somebody must have dropped it there. And they have a conversation that they are asking to one another, what should we do with the purse? And Rumi is asking, should we keep it? But Runa says, no, we should not do that one because the person who lost it might be looking for it. And they decided that they will find out the owner. For that, they are going to find the owner. As the two girls got to their feet, a woman came towards them. She was walking really fast and almost bumped into them. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you, the woman said. It's okay, Rumi said. As the two girls were going to find the owner, a woman came there and she was walking so fastly and she was almost collided with them. And she says, okay, oh, I'm sorry, I haven't seen you. And Rumi says, it's okay, no problem. The woman saw the purse in Rumi's hands. Oh, she said, that is my purse. Where did you find it? It was lying near the bushes, Rumi replied. She handed the purse to the woman. See, the woman saw the purse in Rumi's hand and she identified it as her purse. And she said, it is my purse. And Rumi happily gave the purse to the woman. Thank you, girls. I am so grateful. The woman said, let me buy you an ice cream. That's all right, ma'am. You don't have to, Runa said. But I want to. You found my purse for me. That is the least I can do, the woman said. As the woman got the purse, she became very happy. She said, I will buy ice cream for you both. And they says, no, it's not a problem. You don't have to buy the ice cream. But the woman said, no, you found my purse and I am very happy now. And it is the least thing that I can. Least means minimum. It is the minimum thing that I can do for you. The lady was walking very fast because something very precious maybe in the purse also, maybe money, some other thing. You just imagine if you lost something, your purse or something else, you will be very sad. If you get it, you will be very happy. And though if someone is there to find that one, you will be more happy. You will also feel, no, we should also give something to that person. The woman also did the same thing. She became very happy and she wanted to buy ice cream for them. The woman got the girls ice creams. The girls thanked her and started to walk back home. This was fun, Rumi said, eating her ice cream. We should come and play in the park every day. Yes, who knows? Maybe we will find another purse tomorrow, Runa said, laughing. The woman bought ice creams for both the girls and they are very happy. The woman also happy, girls also very happy. And while they were going back to home, they were saying that, yeah, we should come and play in the park every day because tomorrow also there is a chance to get a purse and that person also will give you an ice cream. It's a good thing, no? They were cracking jokes with one another. So this is the chapter, children. What did you understand from this chapter? Think, what did you learn? What is the moral of the story? I will help you. See, we should be very happy with what we have. We should not keep things what belongs to others and we should act responsibly. And remember, children, honesty is the best policy. Hope you understood the chapter. Thank you, children. Thank you.